Okay, what we have here is what we actually know now is a 4-cam 275 switch, a Vitaloni switch, which of course has chrome arms on it. We had mistakenly had non-chrome arms on it before, but we just converted it back to a full chrome arm situation here. They also have a crook out close to the end of the lace wing knobs, and there's no twist switch at the end of the headlamp switch, which is more common to the 365s and others. The Ferrari 330 switch is very, very similar to this, if not identical. We don't have another one here to compare to, but we're going to go through the operation of this. We have reverted it correctly to operate on the 6WA windshield wiper motor. This switch came to us in a condition that is described as anything that works, make it go. So it didn't even have the correct arms on it before. It had a different window cutout arrangement. We've got it all here now operating. Matt, you want to show how we've got the switch operating on this?
All right, so that's in the off position. This is for the wiper, and here's the wiper motor here. You can see it. That's slow.
It's hard.
Slowly.
See, it has the old anteater tongue on it here. Okay, go ahead to fast.
And fast.
And you can hear the motor changing its speed. And then park, of course.
We'll go back to slow.
They're slow.
And park.
Park is automatic. So when park is selected, it continues to rotate until it's in the correct park position. Okay, that's really good. Again, not a whole lot more to say about this switch, except that we finally have got the logic correct for the wiper, which can be different in different version vehicles. There are so many addendums put out by Ferrari regarding the combination of windshield wiper motors and switch logic that there's just no way to know except by testing and modifying and testing again. So we've got it right now. Do you want to show the operation of the other lighting on the switch here real quick?
Yeah, we can do headlamps real quick.
Okay, so now we're going to operate the headlamps. Oh, and by the way, the arm on this switch is correctly in the correct off position now, just as the headlamp switch. They both are, when off, are in the same position. So right now we're hooking up power supply to what, Matt? The high beams?
We're going to do the headlights.
All right. Now we've got the headlights hooked up to a pair of quartz halogen bulbs here that draw about 9 amps. So we're testing it far beyond the amperage that normally should be seen through the contacts, but gives an indication of good function.
So
You got your power supply on, and
so there is low beam.
low beams, and you can see we're pulling, just under 9 amps.
High beam.
High beam, and the off position is all the way the opposite direction, just as the wiper is now. Okay, and
Do the high beam flash.
oh yeah, the pull action for the high beam flash. Should mention here that, all right, go ahead. So as you pull it up, the beams flash.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and then windshield wiper screen washer
Oh, yeah,
too,
we can do
right?
that too.
Okay, so we've got the screen washer. Now we're also supplying the male plugs that go in the body side harness, because our understanding is that this vehicle was burned.
Wiper squirters.
As he pulls up, the wiper squirters work. Of course, left and right turn signal, but might as well do that, and we can show automatic cancellation as well. So there is one direction, and automatic cancel. And there you go. And the opposite direction, and again, automatic cancel. And there we go. So that completes the test of this reconstructed and historically correct 275 4-cam switch. Thank you very much.